So I have more customs, Great Western Trojan. I have more of this. I think I have 7 more. So this one also available for sale. Link in the description. And it's going to take me a long time to list all these models, but at least I want to show you in a video what you're getting. This one also requires one AA battery. This one is from Mattel, all painted, really nice model. So Percy is based on a Trojan, the Great Western engine 1340. If you do a little research, you're gonna find that Percy, also that engine is being displayed with Percy's face. So we have this engine also available for sale, link in the description.